judges. Good evening, everyone.
So how does it feel now that you're part of the top 10?
I'm surprised, but I am very honored and proud to represent not only myself, but my town, Barotac Nuevo, the football capital of the Philippines,
And now?
the home of champions.
Very good. At this point, you just have to pick this question, Alex, and answer whatever comes up in our screen. I hope you get a very good picture tonight, and that is number 12. You should pick number 12, and that is our Iloilo International Airport. I see that often.
Iloilo is not only blessed with a rich historical experience offered to both local and foreign tourists that comes over. Iloilo also holds a blooming and flourishing economy, and the proof of that is our very own Iloilo International Airport, which serves as the passageway for local and international tourists to step ground in a place where rich culture and vibrant past and history is conserved, well-loved, and maintained. It is an avenue for people to appreciate Iloilo, not only as it is seen through social media or to other platforms, but as it is stepped on. It is time to experience Iloilo.